Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by importing the clip and adding the subtitle text directly so you can see timing as you work. Once the text layer exists, drag it to the approximate in and out points. Make sure to split lines by spoken phrases. You'll set base font, size, and color now so the highlight contrast is visible. This saves time later. If audio is long, add multiple text layers now and rough sync each to the dialogue before moving on to highlight styling. You duplicate the text layer and use the copy as the highlight shape behind the readable text. This is the only way to get a neat highlighted subtitle in Capcut. Next, increase the duplicated text size slightly, change its color to the highlight tone you want, and add rounded background via stroke or shadow if needed. Once done, move the highlight layer down a track so the original text sits clearly above it, and nudge both layers until alignment looks perfect on every frame. You now refine the timing, zoom the timeline, trim each layer to the exact words, and scrub to confirm onsets match speech. Then group the paired layers so you can move or copy subtitle blocks without breaking alignment. Export a short test to check visibility on phone and desktop. Make sure highlight contrast holds. If highlights misalign after edits, recreate the duplicate highlight and realign by nudging 1 pixel at a time. This fixes most layering or scaled.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.